Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Bayport, Michigan, a small lakeside community along the beautiful Saginaw Bay of Lake Huron. This town is known for its peaceful harbor, fishing traditions, and stunning waterfront views. Bayport's history goes back to the late 1800s, when it became a busy shipping and fishing center. At its peak, the area was famous for commercial fishing, and that tradition is still celebrated today with the annual Bayport Fish Sandwich Festival. Over the years, Bayport has kept its charm as a quiet place to enjoy the water and fresh air. Whether you are here to enjoy fishing, relax by the shoreline, or learn about its history, Bayport offers the simple beauty of a true Michigan lakeside town. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Bayport, Michigan. Thanks for watching!